Bia Kamal ka Noor Online TV channel. Gora jeno de janywak ler mak yakel. Ler banywak yakel ler misha gor ka muktab. Dung Vice President. Re which ka South Sudan ajen gora man wa banywak yakel. Take a Michigan lat ko can take opportunity ke bang to gor kan no de kan ka kamwane. Jen warga mo bana kwen na men warga dan chikana gor bu kono kwen kel dong de ta kabang mi jin wet anu chan ler mi chanaling kuma sa Sudan gore ngweni ti de let ka jakel che warga eme met pin gwas me cha jagor warga cha gor bu konen kel gor vice president la muktabada tetin chikan warga me chikan gor ban je cholin kel ko do bran chikan gor ka ja Kenana Kona Muguyana Guama, Republic of South Sudan, Office of the Vice President, Gender and Youth Cluster, in partnership with UNDP. Okay, jen dana chikana jen waga chikana gorna me bor gam beje kula kwenya ano kamana na gur kana ken gwasa me kana gur ken ngani ngan mit kurun wal badda ko kurun jandang dokude diech ano kamwa da mo ba yikte ka bachelor degree ka university mengaika ka jan ba tok english ba yengach ba gware kan raida ba jangach jan ba ba yiga ramate ka strong commitment lo ba te ka yaj ko der na der ka rwach ki der do de jalat ka kwi quarry ki ka do mnyo do jan der both banje chulin kel ke english ka do bran cha gor ka jagwasme Guasme chikana larne na submission deadline January 31st 2025 la changa dana bi ba tin gor kana la jin mishi warga do shija gor la CV du mishi gor wa token changa dana bi ba warga na ba jagdien ba je ba toka je chang nyen dogu de kel ka pai kelame ron kin dangro jan dangro de die mu nyod no tama ngode ti nin dang baro der wargam der maltuk. Okay, subject a call for application. The Office of the Vice President and Chairperson for the Gender and Youth Cluster invite applicants to a 6-month pay internship program that may lead to future employment. This initiative aims to help recent graduates kickstart their career and empower youth, particularly young women and men, with the skill needed to thrive in government, NGOs, and private sector, enabling them to contribute to the nation development. Eligibility criteria ta dan chikan warga mogor ke je kan mi shi program shi jagor me balat ka kor pen dang bakal la ngie kana kan ka tok de no biik te ka me bengai te long ko do badan en de let ke je be jumo ke chartung wan te de do badan de we daro ne am ke je katin kon lat kare which te ka ta chi nga shop na tatana jene eligibility criteria be 18 after 35 years old all a bachelor degree from a recognized institution, be fluent in English written and spoken, demonstrate a strong commitment to professional and leadership development. To apply, please submit your application to LeadWise LT company, a national NGO contracted by the UNDP in partnership with the Office of the Vice President to facilitate this program. How to apply? Interested candidates should submit the following application materials: curriculum vitae, detailing academic and professional background, cover letter explaining your career aspirations and indicating the institution's desire for intern placement, additional document academic transcript and references if available. Please email your application to wylp.leadysico@gmail.com with the subject line application for women and youth leadership internship program. For any inquiry, feel free to contact us at leadwise2012@gmail.com, date January 22, 2025. jen shenge dan e gwar ke je warga me ke jen shenge mene mu ko gwi gwaz me jin wet no jin young graduate gur jen o jin dere career dere je talk bi gor no jin bi kante ti detail ya gwar gwat me bu shu gor ko be applied you never know, you can get a good chance, you know. So just try to send your CV or write your CV, make it clear, follow all this detail, follow all the guidelines. So then do down and be tin con project na me jen how to apply email in jatin me ne go the con and they lat gwas me curriculum vitae CV cover letter ta beta dan take men chilat belat nyong miti ga document ko ken chit ka kar mu transcript no ko kana reference bonni miti ga tin bi ka jaka ke jen email yen mo bi jaka mi chele WYLP dot LEAD WISECO@gmail.com bichu latin nono mugori more information be right to be jaka leadwise 2012@gmail.com and the message and go down be application be jaka no miti ka complaint ke tika something that you want to ask but me chi talk application chi real ka be jaka jam chalele WYLP.leadwithsicko@gmail.com jen be jaka no ajen nan rajdan goro de nyaka jekel ani charge peru jeno be subscribe ka be jen nyaka be comment and bye bye one just try your luck